Hey, everyone, are you looking for a super easy way to make animated characters like this cool boy, this creepy monster, or this fancy man? Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Adobe Express to create animations just by using your voice or an AI voice. And guess what? It's completely free. First things first, go to 11labs.io and create an audio by simply typing your text and downloading it. Then, log into Adobe Express at adobe.com. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up for free right now. Now, let's figure out the right size for your video. You can see some options here, but if you choose output size 4, you can directly pick the social network where you want to share your video. Let's say we're making it for YouTube. Next, let's pick a background. You'll find a wide variety of awesome backgrounds right on this page. But if you prefer, you can also upload your own background. The last step is to select a character. In this case, I'll choose this boy. Once you're ready, it's super easy. Just click on the record button or choose the audio file you created earlier. That's it. In just a moment, Adobe will let us preview the video. And here it is. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Hey, what model? I'm glad you here.
If you're happy with it, click on the share button and then select the option to download the video. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your awesome animated video. Have fun!
Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm delighted to have you here. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Your support means the world to me. Thank you.